Nimefika ofisi.
Good afternoon. How are you? Good.
Good afternoon.
A unique one, but when I bought the consent, I think with that we can so tuwapatie hiyo muda.
So wa Kenya watu wish all the best na mtuombe, bila nyinyi hatuwezi. So sisi sasa tuende tupeane venye tuli president alisema leo amepeana kitu yake, so ni sisi jukumu yetu sisi kama wachezaji tuende tupambanie nchi.
We pray for them as they embark on their training in France and after that of course they'll be heading to Morocco for the kickoff of WAFCON and we as a FKF I want to give the assurance again, we are very committed.
We shall continue supporting them on the different stages as part of motivation, and we are working on agreeable figure for them so that if they qualify to the finals, the way we treated our Harambee stars during CHAN, they will also be treated, but on an agreeable formula.